Hello, welcome to APG Studio, and today special session for pregnant women, pregnancy yoga right now. So if you're watching first time, please subscribe and turn on notification bell, never miss any content from my channel, and make sure you've got some drink nearby. You can drink anytime. If you're going to find this is too many repetitions for your muscles, not that strong, or your joints, maybe wrist especially, you can take a break anytime you need to. Okay, you're just working for your body, you know your body the best, and if you're feeling it's a time for break, just take a break. Okay, ready to start right now. So start your legs wide and your shoulders width apart and your arms up. Inhale and slowly exhale. Inhale and slowly exhale. And one more. And now your right arm very slowly, gently bend to your left side. Inhale and slowly exhale. Two more. Inhale and slowly exhale. And relax. Now your left. Inhale. Slowly exhale. And one more. Inhale. Slowly exhale. Now roll your shoulders backward first to stretch your chest and your shoulders. Good breaths. Inhale and exhale. And one more. And now forward to stretch your upper back. And one more. Both arms move front of you. And now inhale, squeeze your shoulder blades, arms back. And slowly exhale, hands together. Inhale. And exhale. Good breaths. Deep breath in. And slowly out. The last one. Now place your fingers, palms forward, head down. Inhale, lift. And slowly relax. And now right arm, inhale, slowly exhale. Hold the stretch. You can use your left hand to push your elbow back, or you can pull from behind. Feel nice stretch. Right side, chest, shoulder, arm. Inhale, slowly exhale. Now your left. Inhale and slowly exhale. Okay, if your legs even wider. Hands on hips and try just a little bit bend forward to feel stretch back of your legs and glutes lower back. Inhale and slowly exhale. Chest is high, pulling shoulders back. Inhale and exhale. And one more. Inhale. Slowly exhale. Okay, now you're trying to turn left leg slightly out. And now left arm. Inhale. As you exhale to your right. Inhale. Exhale, feel stretch on your left side. And one more. Now bend your left leg. Make sure your knee is directly above your ankle, okay? And now right arm. Inhale. And slowly exhale. You can rest your hand or your elbow if you're comfortable with the stretch, going a little bit lower. Inhale. And slowly exhale. And two more times. Inhale and slowly exhale. Okay, back of your feet parallel each other, arms behind, and again bend forward. Keeping your shoulders high. Inhale, go up, and exhale. Feel the stretch, lower back glutes, back of your legs. And one more. Inhale and slowly exhale. Okay, now right leg slightly out. Right arm. Inhale. Slowly exhale. Relax your left shoulder. Inhale. Slowly exhale. And one more. Okay, right knee bend. Right arm inhale, slowly exhale. Inhale, slowly exhale. Stretch your left side as well as your right leg. And two more times. Inhale. And exhale. Last one. And relax. Okay, now if your legs together, squeeze your glutes, engage your belly muscles as much as you can, and try to play with the balance. Rising your heels. Inhale. Slowly exhale. Inhale. And exhale. And maybe two more. Perfect. Now I'm going to keep balance in your right leg, so try to lift your left. Inhale. Slowly exhale. Strong glutes on your right side. Shoulders relaxed. And one more. Inhale. And slowly exhale. Excellent. Now, strong left leg to lift your right. Inhale. And exhale. And one more. And relax. Okay, again, balance on your right leg. Now left behind. So you inhale, bend your knee, try to lift your foot. Exhale, press your foot to the floor. Inhale. Slowly exhale. Show you from the side. This is the movement we're trying to make. Inhale and exhale. Maybe one more. Okay, now right leg. So good balance on your left. Inhale and exhale. And last one. Okay, legs with your shoulders width apart. Bring your arms front of you. Inhale, lift. Exhale, shoulders back and down. And two more. Inhale. And exhale, really stretch chest, shoulders, your arms. And relax, just lifting one shoulder, slowly relax. Okay, keep Alright, so that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed it. If you want to do another session, pregnancy yoga, just click in here. That's another stretching for your body. And thank you for today. And please subscribe, turn on notification bell, never miss any videos from my channel. So thank you for watching me today and see you next time. Bye.